Hello and welcome to Super High Graphics. It's good to have you back again, guys. Today I want to show us how to use our Photoroom to enhance our designing materials. So the first thing is just to click on my Photoroom right here. So once you have your Photoroom, it will bring you to a page like this. All you just have to do is start from photo, click on that, then it will bring you to your gallery. Now let me go to my main gallery. Okay, and come to album. Okay, under my download I want to select, let's say I downloaded an image and I want to remove the background. I'll just click on this image right here. Give it time, you must have good network, so it will load. Now it has removed the background of the image. Now the first option gives you the chance of saving the image with the white background. Second option gives you the option of saving the image with the black background, while the third option, which is right here, gives you the option of saving the image without a background. Thus it becomes a PNG transparent background, and oftentimes when I use this is majorly to have a transparent background. That's why I use this. And you can see lots of other options at which you can save the image. You can save it as a pop-up, you can choose any of this, but majorly is to have a transparent background. So I'll just click on this transparent background. Here it is. Getting it like this, I'll just click on this right here, this icon right here, to save it directly like this as a PNG to my phone gallery and go to wherever I want to use it, either in Pixel Lab or in Canva. So I'll just click on this and to bring you this option. You can save it to gallery. You can see, just click on save it to gallery, it will be saved to your gallery. But I'm not saving this because I already have something like this. Now that is the first option on how to use your Photoroom to remove the background of an image. Now the second option is on how to blur an image or an icon. Now let me go back to the start and start afresh to show us how to do that by removing an image. Now click on from gallery, album, download. Let's say I have an icon that I want to blow up, or an emoji. Oftentimes I use it for emoji icons and all of that. So let me say I want to blow up this let me look for an icon, like an emoji icon. Okay, let's say this. I want to blow up this to fine-tune some of my design. Okay, right here it is. I will just come to this third option, which is the transparency. Then come to, this is where the real blurring option is. Come to graphics. Click on graphics, then you scroll up, like you can see I'm scrolling it. Then you just come to blur. You can see blur. Enable the blur, then it will bring you this option. You can see different classes of blur, different options. You can see bulk, Gaussian, motion, hexagon, and all of that, square and all of that. Now the goodness of it is you can decide the rate of the blurriness that you want. You can see, you can bring it to 0. You can increase the rate at which you want the blur. That's why when you see some design, you see some kind of blur emoji, blur items on it. These are some of the things they make use of to blur up the item, then go into Pixel Lab and make use of it. So here it is. Just decide what you want, the size you want. So in this case I might just make use of, let's say, 10. Okay, and right here all you just have to do is do the same thing for the same, and just click on this icon above here, and click on save to gallery. And here when you do this, it will be saved to your gallery. Then you can go ahead into your Pixel Lab and make use of it. So that is how to use our Photoroom, the two major things that you can use your Photoroom to do. Thank you for watching. God bless you.